Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So as you can see, I got my Nike box here. So at the moment, Nike is taking forever to deliver to me. So I'm waiting on average 4 to 6 weeks. So I don't even know what's inside this box. It's quite nice. I get to be surprised every time I open a box. Just for any of you tuning in for the first time, is if you're returning the shoe, you tear this off and it just sticks. Yeah, so now it gives you, depending on where you are, I think you get about a 30-day trial period. Obviously the shoe needs to be looking like new and you need to package it like this. And yeah, if you don't like the shoe within 30 days, just ask for a refund. That's just my address on the box, and that it's been recycled. Oh, and Aramex delivered it to me. Okay, it's just a plain red box. Tells you a bit about Nike here, a Nike swoosh. I actually don't mind these red boxes. Sometimes good looking shoes come in here. Yeah, I do prefer the white ones though. Those are really good. But in any case, let's see what's this. Okay, it's a Nike Court Vision Low. Oh, this is a men's shoe. I know what it is. This shoe actually was really popular about 5 years ago, and then Nike started mass producing them. Yep, there we go. I'm sure everyone has seen this shoe already. It's basically like now one of their staples. Oh, I look quite big, eh? Why did I buy this size? 11.5. I think it was on special, so I got it at a discount. Yeah, the color is really nice. Oh, where is this shoe produced? Made in Vietnam. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, usually the Vietnam quality is better than this. Yeah, but you can see there's some like it wasn't really cut very neatly. And then as you go down, you can see a little bit of glue there. Yeah, I just feel like in the last few months, because Nike is having issues since COVID with closing some of their shops, and they're having logistical issues, that their quality has actually also gone down a bit. Like I never noticed this, like say June this year, but now as we're going towards December, I think they're mass producing stuff, and yeah, their quality is just going down. Yeah, look at this. Come on, this is what you expect of a fake, not a $120 shoe. Well, I did get it on discount, but still. So if you're wearing the shoe, I guess this is what people who see you will see. Let's go for a side view. Oh, side view is nice. Actually, you know what? I think it's the color of the shoe that really makes it stand out. I think they should have added a little bit of white on the shoe, or a little bit of black, like for this Nike part, and just for the swoosh. Or maybe went around Nike with this, with like a white thread. Yeah, I don't know, just my opinion. Yes, and then if you're wearing the shoe, that's your look. I think the laces need to be done again or pulled through. Doesn't look so attractive right now, but this is just how it came out of the box. Other side view. Inside is actually quite very comfy. Look at this. So much of padding. Maybe that's why the shoe is so popular, because it's versatile, could probably go with all your clothes, and it's comfy. Right, let's put this away. There we go. Thank you for watching another unboxing. Hopefully we'll have more deliveries for you soon.